1/2 cup pineapple cubed, 1 mango peeled and cubed, 1 small red bell pepper seeded, cored, and diced, a bunch of washed cilantro leaves, chopped, 3/4 of a cup of white organic corn kernels, rinsed, not cooked. I just rinse it in cold water. And if you want to omit corn because it's not included in your diet, this recipe will still be good without it. 1/4 of a cup of green peas. You can also use sugar snap peas, and you would just remove the peas from the shell. Rinse these under cold water with the corn. 1/4 cup chunky oil-free salsa. 10 ounces of raw cauliflower, chopped. Put it into your Vitamix blender on low. Stir with a spoon and turn on low one more time. Place all ingredients into a large bowl and toss together gently. I guess I should have got a bigger bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, 4 to 6 black olives sliced. Put the sliced black olives on top. You can add up to 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast if you wanted to have a cheesy flavor. You can also add smashed avocado with salt if you like. I just love the contrasting flavors that pair wonderfully, like the crunchy red bell pepper and rice cauliflower, the sweet pineapple and mango, fresh cilantro, salty briny olives, savory, cheesy, nutritional yeast, and the creamy avocado. I'll put the complete recipe in the notes below. I have other rice cauliflower recipes on this channel. One that is one of my favorites is the cherry apple pie. I'll put that on the end screen and in the description area in YouTube. I published a video on why I eat a raw vegan diet on my other channel, Nina's Nutrition and Wellness Videos. I'll put that on the end screen as well, and maybe you'll want to subscribe to that channel also. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.